Hey guys, this is Jordan with Quick Ship Electronics. I'm back. I want to talk about the 2018 Apple iPad. This is the 6th generation model. We have it available in both 32 and 128 gig units. You can find these now available from Quick Ship, and let's see what you get. So first off, let's take a look and see the actual packaging itself. As you will from time to time see that we do have a scratch or a scuff or a tear on the actual package. However, the item by itself is in like new condition. So as you can see here from the actual tablet, it does not show any scuffs or scratches or dents. It is genuinely in a like new shape. In addition, you will find that we include a quick start guide, a genuine OEM power adapter, along with a genuine OEM Lightning USB cable. This iPad is great for those who want a higher performance tablet but don't need all the bells and whistles of an iPad Pro, and without that premium price. It's a budget-friendly iPad that includes an A10 Fusion chip for the fast performance, weighs just 1 pound and is made of aluminum. The resolution is multi-touch Retina display and is 1536 by 2040. With the latest iPads, you can come to expect some of the same great features across the board. On this particular unit, you'll get Touch ID, an 8 megapixel rear camera, and a 1.2 megapixel high-def FaceTime camera. In addition, this is the first non-Pro tablet that allows you to work with Apple's Pencil. Apple Pencil is sold separately. However, you can find that in our other listing. Also on this unit, it includes a 10-hour battery life, which is great for both web browsing and your favorite videos. So I want to remind you, with everything we sell, we include a 1-year quick ship warranty, free shipping, and free 30-day returns. That means if you buy this product and if you don't like it, simply reach out to us and say, hey, I just don't like it or it doesn't work for me. I want to get 100% of my money back. Within 30 days, we'll give you a free prepaid shipping label, get you 100% of your money back to your account. Also, don't forget, we also put a number of other videos up. Click that little subscribe button down here, watch the videos, share them with your friends, and we hope you watch the next one. So I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching.